With the RiteTag browser extension installed for Chrome, Safari, or Firefox, one thing you can do is get hashtags for images really great for Instagram. So in Crowdfire, once you have your Instagram account connected, you would write your caption, then click Add an Image. You got that, then right-click, Get Hashtag Suggestions, and I see that they are relevant and graded. See if there's any I want to remove. There's not, so I click this button to copy all and paste, and then I'm ready to publish. I can also close the hashtag bar with the X or by clicking the RiteTag browser button. Of course, you can also highlight text, right-click for hashtag suggestions.